Welcome to the Mobiso Web Administration Interface Overview training video. This is the main login screen for the Mobiso system. The first time that a new system is logged into, the username is set to admin and the password is also set to admin. Both the username and password are all lowercase. It is highly recommended that you change the password on this account for security reasons. Here is the main screen of the admin interface. From here you can browse to any other admin page. However, it is not necessary to return to the main screen as you can use the tabs across the top to proceed directly to any page in the interface. In the upper left-hand corner, you can see the username that was used to log into the system, as well as the name of the server that you have logged into. This can be very handy when administering multiple systems as it is an easy way to identify which server you are on. If at any time you run into an issue and are not sure how to continue, the Administrator's Guide is available through the Help button at the upper right-hand corner of the page. This is a PDF file that you can either open or save to your desktop. Some of the pages, such as the application page, also offer in-page help. There is a lifesaver icon to indicate when in-page help is available. By hovering the mouse pointer over the icon, you will get a pop-up bubble containing help for the column, row, or field. Within the interface, the same page is used for both querying and creating or modifying a record. For example, on the People page, when you first arrive at the page, it is ready to perform a search. If you click the search button, it will perform a full search, which is the equivalent of putting an asterisk wildcard into every field and will return up to 100 results. If the search resulted in more than 100 results, only the first 100 will be available. As you can see here, there are 65 people on the system, and that it is currently displaying the first 10. The number of results displayed on a single page can be adjusted by clicking on the 10, 25, 50, or 100 buttons if you want to display more or fewer records. By changing this to 100, you can see that the display window now shows all of the records. You can preview a record by single-clicking on the name. The record will be loaded behind the results window. If you double-click on a name or click on the box to the left of the name, this will put the record into edit mode and close the results window so that you can make changes to that record. If you do not make any changes to the record, you can simply browse away. Or, if you want to perform another search, you can click the Clear button, which will clear all of the fields. If you do not clear the fields before clicking the Search button, a search will be performed against all of the data in the fields, which will more than likely only return the single record that you are currently looking at. If you want to perform a partial search on a field, you can use the asterisk and question mark as wildcards. The asterisk will search for multiple characters, whereas the question mark will search for a single character at that location. If your search only returns a single result, that result will automatically be loaded into the page for you. If your search returns multiple results, then the results pop-up window will be presented with the results of your search. When adding a new record to the system, a common mistake that is made is that people will browse to the page and immediately begin typing the information for a new record. If you notice, the Save button is not active. It is necessary to click New before starting to create the new record. Any information that was typed in before clicking New will be discarded. Any field with an asterisk beside the name is a required field. If you attempt to save a record without filling in all of the required fields, errors will be displayed in red indicating that there are issues. The errors will indicate the field that is having an issue and what the data requirements are for that field. Upon a successful save, a green success bar is displayed. There is a second type of page where records are managed slightly differently. On a grid-based page, such as the company Directories page, you have to click New to get another record to edit. Some pages will give you a yellow warning indicator to advise you that there may be additional actions that need to be taken, such as when changing the names of the directories or creating new directories, it is necessary to rebuild them before they can be used. This concludes the overview of the Mobiso Web Admin Interface. For additional information, please refer to the Administration Guide or to any of the other training videos available online.